Superior liquid tight seal and pull-out strength. Brand name: Southwire. Product dimensions: 2x1, 7x1, 7. Country of origin: China. Connector: STRNMLFO753/15, CTN. Southwire's wire and cable. A constant innovator for your installation needs. Southwire continues to innovate to bring solutions to the electrical industry as one of the leading manufacturers of wire and cable. With nearly 70 years of experience, our wire and cable products are designed to help simplify installation, reduce labor and material costs, while assisting to create a safer work environment. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install, works well at a low price. Very easy to install. Works great. I like to remove the factory black O-ring and replace it with a flat gasket that has just a little bit more coverage.